What is voice in Korean? The Korean term for voice is 목소리. Again, 목소리. This is pronounced as three-syllable word. The first syllable is 목, second syllable is so, and the third syllable is 리. Pronounce it with me. 목소리. How do we write this in Hangul? Let's start with the first syllable, 목. First, we need to draw a myeom character, followed by the o character, followed by the giot character. With the second syllable so, we need to draw a siot character and an o character. With the last syllable ri, we need to draw first a real character, followed by the e character. Then, combine to form the hangul of 목소리. And now, you already know what is voice in Korean. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.